How to fix procedure entry point could not be located, dynamic link library error. So if you want to fix the procedure entry point could not be located, dynamic link library error, then what you need to do is you have to download a security patch from the Microsoft website. So for that, you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just go with the links. So this is the link if you have a 64-bit version, 64-bit on your device. And this link is if you have a system of 32-bit. So you just need to simply go and paste the same link that you have right here. And from here, you need to just go with download and you need to download the security update. And once it's downloaded, it will be on your downloads folder, right? So you need to open up your folder and you need to go with your downloads. And if you double click on that download folder, then it might say that it has been blocked. So if you want to unblock that, you can just right click on it and you can go with show more options, and then you can go with the properties section of that folder. Under properties section, you will have unblock option. You can go and unblock that folder, and after unblocking, you'll be able to install that. So after installing the security updates for your Windows 7 or your Windows 10 from your Microsoft website, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.